Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on mobile. First, download the specific Adobe app you need from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new one. This allows you to access your cloud documents and premium features. Many apps offer a free tier with basic functionalities, while a Creative Cloud subscription unlocks the full suite of tools and cloud storage. For creative tasks, Adobe offers several excellent mobile applications. Photoshop Express is perfect for quick photo adjustments, applying filters, and creating collages directly on your phone. If you need more professional photo editing, Lightroom Mobile provides powerful tools for color correction, exposure adjustments, and organizing your image library. Artists can enjoy Adobe Fresco, which brings natural drawing and painting experiences with live brushes to your tablet or phone. Adobe also excels in document management on mobile. Acrobat Reader allows you to open, view, and annotate PDF files with ease. You can highlight text, add comments, and even fill out forms directly on your screen. For physical documents, Adobe Scan transforms them into high-quality, searchable PDFs using your phone's camera. This makes digitizing receipts, notes, or contracts incredibly simple and efficient, keeping your important papers organized. One of the biggest advantages of using Adobe on mobile is its seamless integration with the Creative Cloud. Your projects and assets are automatically synced, meaning you can start editing a photo on your phone and pick up exactly where you left off on your desktop. This flexible workflow allows you to be productive wherever you are. Sharing your work with colleagues or clients is also straightforward, enhancing collaboration and efficiency across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.